Alright guys, so I'm back. It's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to show you what this Jamaican chicken soup looks like. So this is the 30 minutes of it. So I have my carrots, my corn, my chocho, plantains, pumpkin. I have my pimento seeds. I added garlic, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. So now what we're going to add now is my scotch bonnet pepper. All right, and then I have my scallions. I have the whole ones, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of chopped ones, you know, just to put in the soup, give it that flavor. I have my thyme. Guys, I'm going to add some thyme. Yes, thyme. We use a lot of thyme. And then I have my Sunshine Jamaican chicken noodle soup mix. I'm going to add that in. So after I have added all of this in, now I'm going to give it a quick stir. Once I have stirred all of this, I'm going to let this cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes. So once it's cooked for 20 minutes, then we will be having Jamaican chicken soup today.